What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another video. It's your boy, Big Dale. So today we're gonna do something really different. Today I'm gonna be opening a box that I got from Journeys, which is back there if you can see it. And I'm gonna be talking about like what I'm gonna be doing with the channel. You know what I'm saying? So like how the videos are gonna be coming out. So let's get started. No switching clothes today. I ran 3 miles today, so yeah, I'm not changing clothes. I'm sorry, I ain't got enough energy for that. But we got the Journeys box right here, so now I just need something to open it. I keep it on me, so you come around this way, you will get clapped.
I can't think that way, but women try this dude.
Let's open the box, alright? What I'm gonna be doing with the channel is I'm gonna be posting videos on Monday, Wednesday, and we might get something Friday. See, this video is gonna be coming out on a Friday. So in that meaning, because of my busy work schedule, most videos are gonna be made on like Saturday and Sunday on the weekends, you know? Then it gives me time to edit the videos on throughout the week, you know what I'm saying? Because of my busy work schedule, I have to do things like this. And pro tip, make sure every time you open a box, it's outwards. Never cut towards yourself, you know? The more you know.
Sitting on this paper plane. The world is yours.
Know what I'm saying? And so the order of the videos are gonna be like, so like Monday is gonna be word of the week, not word of the day. Sorry for my first video, I can't do word of the day because that's gonna take up too much time and I don't have time like that. And that's gonna be real impossible for me to do with my busy work schedule. You know what I'm saying? But word of the week does got a nice ring to it. I also post the videos on my Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll talk about. And also follow me on all of that plus Snapchat, cause I be doing rants and stuff. I just be doing what they'll do. You know what I'm saying? All right, I cut the box open finally. You can see the big Journey box and the Journeys tape. They got their own tape. That's pretty cool. And what I have here, some Pumas. Keep this box actually. Your boy got you some Pumas. This is not gonna be a sneaker review again because I'm too tired and that would take too much time. And I don't have time. But I just got something. I just picked them up, man. Nice little somethings. I don't really know what they call, to be honest. That's not on me. But you know, I like white and black together, so I just had to get them. I gotta spend my money a little wiser, but I do like this box. I've been thinking about getting a Puma fit, being like Big Sean or Gucci Mane. Somebody, you know. On Friday, back to what I was talking about for real. Fridays, it's an if on those. I don't think Friday videos are gonna be coming out. I might post something, put it on your notifications so you know I'm posting something. Wednesdays are like sneaker reviews and like whatever else I do. If you notice that, like word of the week comes out on a Monday, and like said video, like I just posted a video today. Came out today. By the way, go watch my first sneaker review. Hey, just build with me, and we gotta find structure somewhere. I hope y'all continue to watch, and please like, share, and subscribe my videos. Big Dale's out of here. Alright? I'll see y'all on the next wave. Stay wavy.